Hello there, good morning. Nakapag-breakfast ka na ba? Kung hindi pa, tara, samahan mo ako sa McDonald's. And if you are watching this video, I just want to remind you, you made it through the night by God's grace. At before ka maging busy sa araw na ito, let's pause and thank Him for the little things. Like warm food, a new morning, and another chance to do better. At kaya naman, I always invite God into my day. Because when you start with Him, even the simplest moments become meaningful. Kaya naman, I'm praying that whatever you're carrying today, God gives you strength, peace, and direction. Thank you sa time sa panonood ng video na ito, and I hope na hindi nasayang ang oras mo. Tara, kain tayo, and may you have a blessed day.
Said hi today, bird on the rail just flew away. Didn't check my weight.